Hey all, Calvin here. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can add basically an outline to your square blocks and shape blocks in Squarespace. So what we're referring to is basically this kind of outline here, where it's like small, and then there's small shadow. This is something that a lot of websites use, and they're classically themed websites such as music, for instance, with one of my websites. It just adds that style, that flair, and I'm going to be showing to you how you can do it. So to add this in, make sure you go to your website, click edit. After you click edit, you want to go to the section you want to make the edit, click add block, and then you want to click shape. So just click shape, and then for the color, I recommend matching with the background. So if it's white, go with white. So that way the stroke around it, the border around it really helps to make it look good and stand out. And after that, you click drop shadow. Um, you also want to add a stroke here. Add stroke, make it small thickness, and then boom, there you have it. Just a simple square shape uh, item shape, which allows you to make your website look good. And to make the adjustments, such as adding an image, you just click add text. To add an image, you just click add image. For something like this, I recommend having a transparent background, but you can just imagine like a PNG or with text here. But the question is, how do you do it with other shapes too? So to add it, if you again you click add block, click shape, and then click the pencil icon here to click edit, and then you can choose any shape you want. I'll choose this shape just to demonstrate. And again, it's the same rule. So same color as the background. It will disappear for a second. And then you want to click the stroke, make it small, unless you want really thick background. And add drop shadow. Obviously, you can make adjustments here and there. For example, if you want the thickness of the border to be really thick, you can do that as much as you want, up to 50 points, to the point where it looks like this. Or I'd recommend like around 1-2 points here. So, and then the drop shadow again, you can choose how far it goes out. I'd recommend around 1 pixel. You can choose the angle, so it optimizes with your website of where the shadow heads and the blur as well. For example, how blurry you want it to go, and then the shadow itself, what color you want it to be. So I'd recommend leaving it default, but you can always choose a different color like this. So that is it for me. If you have any questions. Oh yeah, one last thing. Once you are done, you want to click save. This will ensure that this shows up on your website, and that the work that you do is actually transmitted onto your website. So I thank you guys for watching. I really hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you and take care.